Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Possibly, maybe I use something else. I don't know yet. Anyway, guys, this is what we're going to do. The reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program. It's 80% for any product, and it has two products that are recurring. All right, so it's just the way, it's just the one to promote right now. It's the business to promote. It's the best affiliate program I ever seen anywhere. Y'all can look, try to find one better. You can't. All right. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, what we're gonna do, gonna look and see if we got a sale. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday. That's kind of crazy. I got a sale yesterday. I just started back up yesterday, and I got a sale the same day. So this works, guys. But we're gonna refresh the page to make sure these are real numbers for you guys. I want to make sure I show the whole refresh scenario for you guys, so you guys can understand that this is real money that I am getting. All right, guys, looks like I did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Fantastic, man. This is what I've been trying to show. It works, man. It just works. That's all I'm trying to say. All right, so first and foremost, what you guys need is affiliate links. So before I show you how to do that, get your links. I'm gonna show you the link that I use. I use this link in particular because I used the Frugal links. This is the first one to get a sale, so I just stuck with it. All right. I used a couple of these affiliate links. This one, the one that got the first sale. I stuck with it. I say, and that's one thing I want you guys to understand when it comes to affiliate marketing or any kind of making business or work. If something works, stick with it. That's how you make money. Copy. Don't threaten. Don't worry about. Like, a lot of people try to innovate. Copy what somebody else may be doing, and you can make a lot of money doing stuff like that. Copy, don't innovate. Sometimes you could take a chance on it. People make dollars with innovations, of course, get me wrong, and you want a high chance of making copy. All right, so anyway, guys, first thing you want to do, go to my description of this video here. You're gonna see step 1, step 2. Step 1 gonna have a link. You click on that link, take you to this page here. Basically, the sales letter for the $25 business talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, all that good stuff, right? And ultimately, if you're interested in what it is, it's a funnel builder. All right, funnel builder for $25 per month. And as I said, 80% of that is gonna be $20. So you can get $20 per month. Somebody using a funnel builder, a very decent price for a funnel builder at that. Very good price for it. So it's actually a really good product. So that helps when it comes to promotion, and it just really helps out overall. You know what I mean? And you can make $20 and $100 monthly commission. There's another product that's monthly payments. That's $125. That's 80% back, be $100. So you can get $120 off of each customer, guys. You get 2 of those. You can have those products and also make money. You just need 2 people to do that. Fantastic. So if you got 2 people, you got you a funnel builder for practically free. And as you can see, I get multiple sales a month. So even with this very basic method, very simple method, so I got me a funnel builder for no reason, for practically a very simple amount. Anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna click on yes, I want to try this out, right? And here you just put in basic information, blah blah blah. Basic information, get down here. That's the product there, the funnel builder, like I spoke before. This is the $129 product, the premium. Now what is the premium? Basically training. It's a training program showing you how to get sales with a bunch of different ways, like Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube. It's constantly updated. Like for example, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn. These products in particular were added later on once we figured out a way to make it work. All right. Once you figure out a way to make it work, we put it up on the list and we make it happen. And it's constantly updated as well. Like some rules on Facebook ads change, so therefore we have to change what we teach you guys. So one thing I want to stress very hard is that if a course is not constantly updated, do not buy it, guys, because that course might work right now, but later on you're gonna be completely befuddled. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's all there is to that. So you get the premium here, and you get it for, and you can get sales for $100 a month. This premium here, at 14-day free test drive, right? Really cool. That means that you get it for free. You don't have to pay it right now. You just pay the $25 and they'll get sales with the premium here for the 14 days. You'll have the product, so you can get sales for the product. So if you promote this product, you'll get the $100, which is fantastic. And like, if you're an affiliate marketer, that's kind of unheard of and kind of insane. And just the margins here, 80% is incredible. This is what you want to promote, guys. That's all I'm trying to do. Now once you do all that, get your links. You got your links, right? Signed in, did all the stuff. Videos explaining everything. But once you do that, now you need a way to promote this link. Now what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way I have found to promote this link and get sales, guys. This works for me. All right. So now you want to click on the second link in the description there. It's gonna take you to. It's gonna say something about My Lead Gen Secrets. It's gonna take you to this page here. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? You get 100 leads a day. You get email once per day. As you may know, I started by promoting and sending emails yesterday when I started back up making videos about this, and so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start sending emails. We're gonna copy that. So these are emails that I have personally written. They seem to perform a little bit better than others. Okay, we got 9 emails I've written, and I just kind of been rotating them. They seem to work pretty well, so we're gonna just kind of stick to it. I might add some more emails later on, but I'm gonna stick to these emails here. These seem to work. All right, so get your email. We're gonna hit perfect timing. We're gonna send an email around time. People check email, and then we're gonna hit mainly checking if our link works. Okay, our link does work. All right, and the next reason is so you guys have a chance to copy this email. All right, you can copy the email. I do not mind. I want to help you guys get started, just in case you guys are like bamboozled on the email part of this situation. It's okay to copy mine, the one that work for me. You might do better creating your own emails, but it's sales. Like I said before, copy other people. Copy what they do to get money, and you will make money as well. It's all that simple. So we're gonna just send an email. Done, guys. That's all it takes. Now this is an easy way to make money online. If you're like stuck with affiliate marketing, you can't figure out how to get a sale, it's just not working, right? Now, one thing I want to stress is that this is a very simple way to get sales online. You're not gonna get rich doing this, all right? But you can make you some money, and you can pay some bills off with this, a bill or two. It's very simple to do, right? Now, if you want to really try to levitate this amount of way of making money, guys, I think the best way to make right now is to make shorts, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikToks. Make a account for all 3, right? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and post videos at least once a day. Post a little 15-second video at least once a day. It don't gotta be heavily edited. It don't gotta do all of that stuff. Just need something to post and keep posting. All right, guys. So eventually something will pop off, and if you got your thing set up right, you'll get a lot of sales. All right, and you'll never have to worry about money again. Okay, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.